Hey, good afternoon. On this time, I'm going to present a video about my one of the material. Well, Instituto Tecnológico Superior de Buchapa, Business Management Engineering, Class English, Teacher name Valeria Trejo, Victor, and student name González Chávez John Enrique. Human development, this is the case this time. Well, this is a P stage of cognitive development. I'm gonna presentation for steps of one of those P stages. So one of those is sensory motor. The other one is a pre-operational, and third one concrete operations. In the last one, formal operations. In the first one, sensory motor says the child's interacts with the environment through innate reflects the modify and refines by trial error. The other one is a pre-operational. The child concrete mental image already imitates the action for adults on their peer show cheer signs on symbolic plates. And the other one is a concrete operation. Well, this is because your previous knowledge has been organized into the more complex unified structure. And the last one is a formal operation. Well, then the adolescent on this side, this adolescents faced with a problem, analyze the premise and axis, and different hypotheses about the causality or effect. So there are the four steps for period says about the human development on the theory stage of the cognitive development. That's it for this time. Again, enjoy. Bye bye.